Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring pure American muscle, reborn for the future, the 2026 Dodge Charger Hellcat HEMI. Dodge has taken its legendary powerhouse and modernized it, balancing raw horsepower with advanced technology and improved comfort. Let's break down everything you need to know about this beast. Body panels. The body panels of the 2026 Charger Hellcat HEMI are bold and muscular, showcasing Dodge's signature widebody stance. High-strength steel combined with aluminum helps reduce weight without compromising toughness. The sculpted hood with a functional air intake is not just for looks. It feeds the massive HEMI engine underneath, improving cooling and performance. Headlights. The headlights feature sleek LED technology with Dodge's racetrack-inspired halo design. Adaptive beams provide excellent visibility on winding roads, while automatic high beam assist makes night driving effortless. They perfectly complement the aggressive styling up front. Taillights. At the rear, the taillights stretch across the width of the Charger, highlighted by Dodge's iconic racetrack LED bar. The sequential indicators and sharp illumination give the car a futuristic look while staying true to its muscle car heritage. Grille. The grille is wide and menacing, with a blacked-out honeycomb mesh that maximizes airflow. It channels cool air into the engine bay, keeping the supercharged HEMI running at optimal temperatures. Its bold styling is unmistakably Dodge, built to intimidate both on the road and at the track. Seats. Step inside, and the seats instantly remind you that this is more than a drag strip monster. Bolstered sport seats wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara keep you firmly in place during spirited driving. Ventilation and heating functions ensure year-round comfort, while contrast stitching adds a touch of performance flair. Dashboard. The dashboard is modern, driver-focused, and tech-heavy. With a mix of carbon fiber, soft-touch materials, and customizable ambient lighting, it strikes a perfect balance between luxury and performance. Every control is angled toward the driver, giving a cockpit-like experience. Infotainment system. The infotainment system runs on Dodge's latest Uconnect 6 interface, displayed on a massive 12-inch touchscreen. It offers wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in Performance Pages app, where you can monitor horsepower output, G-forces, and even adjust launch control settings. Steering wheel. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara with red stitching and integrated paddle shifters. Dedicated drive mode buttons let you switch between street, sport, and track instantly, adjusting throttle response, suspension, and steering for the perfect setup. Engine. Under the hood, the heart of the beast, the 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8, roars to life with over 717 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, it rockets the Charger from 0 to 60 in just about 3.5 seconds. The sound of the HEMI alone is enough to give goosebumps. It's raw, untamed, and pure muscle. Hybrid option. For the hybrid option, Dodge is rumored to introduce a mild hybrid assist to improve efficiency and low-end torque. While purists might cringe, this system ensures the Charger meets future emissions standards without sacrificing performance. Its muscle car heritage, modernized for a new era. Airbags. Safety hasn't been ignored. The airbag system includes advanced multi-stage front airbags, side curtain airbags, and seat-mounted side impact protection. Even in a muscle car this powerful, passenger safety is a priority. Parking assist. The parking assist system features front and rear sensors along with a high-definition backup camera. Dodge has also added semi-automatic parking technology, making it easier to maneuver this wide-bodied beast in tight city spaces. Battery. The battery is a high-capacity unit designed to power the advanced electronics, infotainment, and hybrid assist system if equipped. Its lightweight design helps keep performance sharp without adding unnecessary bulk. Lighting. The lighting system extends beyond the stylish headlights and taillights. Interior ambient lighting is customizable, allowing drivers to set the mood, whether cruising in comfort or preparing for a track run. Exterior LED accents further emphasize the Charger's aggressive look. Charging. The charging system supports standard 12 volts operations, and in hybrid-equipped models, regenerative braking captures energy during deceleration, feeding it back to the battery. This ensures that performance and efficiency work hand in hand. Trunk space. The trunk space is surprisingly practical for a muscle car, with enough room for luggage, groceries, or track day gear. It makes the Charger a viable daily driver, not just a weekend toy. Folding seats. The rear folding seats expand cargo capacity, allowing for larger items to be transported. It's a small but useful touch that adds to the car's practicality. Roof rails. While you won't find traditional roof rails on the Charger Hellcat, Dodge offers accessory mounts for roof storage or bike racks, blending practicality with muscle performance. Price. The 2026 Dodge Charger Hellcat HEMI is expected to start around $75,000, with higher trims and optional packages pushing the price north of $90,000. Considering the performance and heritage, it's still one of the best horsepower per dollar deals in the market. Release date. The 2026 Dodge Charger Hellcat HEMI will arrive at dealerships by late 2025, just ahead of the 2026 model year. For comparison, the 2026 Toyota Corolla will hit dealerships earlier in mid-2025, offering a far more practical alternative for buyers who aren't chasing horsepower. Ending note. And that's our full breakdown of the 2026 Dodge Charger Hellcat HEMI, a modern muscle car that stays true to its roots while embracing new technology. It's loud, fast, and unapologetically bold. What do you think? Should Dodge keep the raw HEMI V8 alive as long as possible, or lean harder into electrification? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dive reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.